This is Passion Drive. In this enlightening story, I'm going to share with you a remarkable journey of transformation that unfolds between a young man and an old Zen master. Learning through 7 powerful life lessons taught by the Zen master, this tale presents a unique philosophy. The wisdom in these lessons is bound to change your outlook on life. So, brace yourself for an immersive experience, as we dive into this enlightening story. In a quaint village surrounded by serene landscapes, lived a curious young man named Hiroshi. Despite his humble origins, he yearned to earn respect and recognition from his peers and elders. He often found himself at the village outskirts, seeking wisdom from the enigmatic old Zen master. The Zen master, known for his unconventional teaching methods, instructed Hiroshi to nurture a small plant into a strong tree. Hiroshi, eager to learn, accepted the task, although he didn't quite understand its significance yet. As the days turned into weeks, Hiroshi took great care and worked hard to look after the young plant. Every morning, he watered it, removed any weeds around it, and ensured it was getting enough sunlight. He also shielded it from harsh weather. With each passing day, Hiroshi noticed the plant growing stronger and more substantial, reflecting his dedicated efforts. The once fragile plant was now a symbol of resilience and strength, teaching Hiroshi the first lesson of patience and consistency, the foundations of any success story. This practical experience was an eye-opener for Hiroshi, revealing to him the profound wisdom hidden in this simple and ordinary job. The tree, now a constant companion of Hiroshi, began to exhibit its growth, sprouting branches and leaves. With every new leaf, Hiroshi realized the second lesson, adaptability. Just as the tree adjusts its growth based on the sun's direction, so should he adapt to the changing circumstances in life, bending yet not breaking under the pressure. During one fierce storm, Hiroshi watched anxiously as the tree impacted violently under the harsh wind, losing a few leaves and branches in the process. To his surprise, the tree stood firm, deeply rooted in the ground, teaching Hiroshi the third lesson, determination. It became an important lesson for Hiroshi as he faced life's challenges. Just like the tree that stayed strong in the storm, Hiroshi learned that tough times would come his way. But if he held on to his beliefs and values, he could survive and become even stronger. It meant staying true to himself and not letting difficult situations change who he was. Hiroshi understood that with strong determination, he could overcome obstacles, learn from them, and grow into a better and stronger person. As seasons changed, Hiroshi observed the tree shedding its leaves during autumn, standing barren and exposed. Yet, when spring arrived, it sprouted anew with vibrant life. This cyclical process illustrated the fourth lesson. Renewal became a valuable lesson for Hiroshi, just like it did for the tree. He realized that in order to grow and improve, he needed to let go of old and unproductive habits. Just as the tree shed its leaves in the autumn, making way for new ones in the spring, Hiroshi understood the importance of releasing things that no longer served him. It meant leaving behind negative thoughts, behaviors, and patterns that held him back. By embracing this renewal, Hiroshi created space in his life for new opportunities, growth, and positive changes. He learned that by letting go of the old, he could welcome the new and experience personal transformation. The tree's growth also attracted a variety of birds, insects, and animals, offering them food, shelter, and a place to rest. This selfless service to others was the fifth lesson. Generosity held a significant lesson for Hiroshi. He came to understand that in order to earn respect, he needed to give to others without expecting anything in return. Just like the tree that provided shelter, food, and a resting place for birds, insects, and animals, Hiroshi realized the power of selfless giving. It meant offering assistance, kindness, and support to those in need, without any ulterior motives or expectations. Hiroshi recognized that genuine respect came from acts of generosity and compassion towards others. By embodying this virtue, He not only made a positive impact on those around him but also cultivated a deep sense of fulfillment and earned the respect he desired. Slowly and steadily, the once small plant had now grown into a towering tree. But despite its massive size, the tree's branches always bent downwards, heavy with fruit. This observation taught Hiroshi the sixth lesson: humbleness became an essential lesson for Hiroshi. He understood that regardless of his accomplishments or the level of importance he achieved, it was crucial to stay humble. He learned this from the tree's branches that bore fruit. The branches, heavy with the weight of their harvest, naturally bowed down. Hiroshi realized that true respect came not from boasting or arrogance but from remaining grounded and modest. It meant acknowledging his strengths and achievements without seeking validation or boasting about them. Hiroshi embraced the beauty of humility, understanding that it allowed him to connect with others sincerely and earn respect through genuine interactions. By embodying humbleness, he aimed to continue growing while staying humble and grateful for the blessings and opportunities life offered him. Unity emerged as the final and crucial lesson for Hiroshi. Just as the different parts of the tree worked together to support its growth, Hiroshi understood the significance of seeking harmony and cooperation with others. He realized that no one achieves success in isolation. Hiroshi learned to value and respect the contributions of those around him, recognizing that collaboration and unity were key to accomplishing great things. He embraced the idea of fostering a supportive community, where everyone could thrive and contribute their unique strengths. Hiroshi understood that by uniting with others, pooling their talents, and appreciating the diverse perspectives and skills they brought, they could achieve far more than any individual could alone. This lesson of unity taught Hiroshi the power of collective effort and the importance of building strong, harmonious relationships in his journey towards earning respect and creating a positive impact in the world. With the passing of time, Hiroshi integrated these lessons into his life. The villagers began to notice his transformation, his patience, adaptability, determination, willingness for renewal, generosity, humility, and sense of unity. This change wasn't just superficial, it had spread through his entire being, and as a result, he started to earn the respect he had longed for. In the end, Hiroshi realized that the Zen master didn't just teach him how to grow a tree, he taught him how to grow as a person, to earn respect not by demanding it, but by living it. And this, my dear viewers, is the true essence of respect.